Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Have your student ID, school email, and password. Once done, log into the SR Dream dashboard and choose your student profile. This ensures the right data loads and saves time. Make sure your account role is correct so you see planning tools. If you hit a verification prompt, complete it now. This first action sequence unlocks the core workspace and prepares you for adding goals and tracking progress without interruptions. You now build the plan by creating a new academic or career framework and giving it a clear name. That helps later retrieval. Next, add milestones such as required courses, credit targets, internships, and deadlines so the dashboard can generate a timeline. Then customize priorities and timelines, assigning due dates and reminders so the system nudges you. As you adjust fields, the dashboard recalculates progress, which is why precise entries matter. Accuracy drives useful recommendations. You finish by reviewing the plan summary and confirming any approvals or submissions needed. This locks your intent into the system. Then enable alerts, sync the dashboard with your calendar, and export a PDF backup so nothing is lost. Make sure linked courses and credits match your advisor's records before relying on automated progress. If things go wrong, fields not saving or totals off, clear your browser cache retry, and if the issue persists, contact admin with screenshots for a quick fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.